Hello, in this tutorial I will show you some techniques in order to select your data. Maybe you want to select them in order to modify or edit. So the first technique is really simple. So let's say here we select cell A4 and we drag using the left mouse button. So as long as you don't let go of your mouse button, you can enlarge your selection area or you can reduce it, for example. Another way in order to select is, for example, let's say we want to select the area from A4 to N22, all this area. You can select cell A4, you move your mouse pointer to the last cell, N22, and before clicking on the mouse button, we hold on the shift key, then we click. So this will select all this area. Another way to do this is, let's say, select cell A4, go to the name box and type the name of the cell N22. So if we press the enter key on the keyboard, our selection will go from cell A4 to cell N22. Let's repeat it again. So we select cell A4 and we go to the name box, we type the name of the cell N22. Now, instead of pressing enter on the keyboard, we hold on the shift key, then press enter. So this will select all the cells from A4 to N22. The third method in order to select this area, so we select any cell in this area and we hold on the control key, then we press A on the keyboard. So this will select this current region. If we repeat the process again, we hold on the control key and then we click on A. So this will select the entire worksheet. If we want to select the entire worksheet, we can do it in one step. So if we select a cell that is surrounded by empty cells and we hold on the control key plus A, this will select the entire worksheet. Also, another way to select the entire worksheet, you can see this column header here, that it will meet with the row header at this box, this small box. So if we click at this small box, this will select the entire worksheet. For example, if you want to make all the text in the worksheet to be in italic format. So if we click on this button, the italic button, and all the text will be italic. And even on the cells that we still did not put any data, so if we choose an empty cell and write a word, for example, so this will give us an italic text. Okay. Now, let's say we want to select some random areas and we want to add this area to another random selection. For example, we select this area and we want to add another area to this selection. So we hold on the control key, then we can drag using our mouse button to add to the selection. Okay. We can do it also for columns or for rows. So if we click on the header of column B, so this will select all the data in column B, and then we go to column E and we hold on the control key and click on the header, and then we go to column H and then click also. We can select all these three columns. Okay. We can also select all the cells between two columns. For example, let's click on the column header of column B, and if we go to column N, for example, and before clicking on the header, we hold on the shift key, then we click. So this will select all the data between column B and column N. Okay. Also, we can do this selection by dragging the mouse over the column header. So we move our mouse pointer to the header of column B, then we drag to column N. So this will select all the columns from B to N. We can do the same also for rows. So we go to the header of row 6, for example. We hold on the control key and then we can choose other and add it to the selection. So let's click on a cell here to deselect. We can also select row number 6 and go to row 16, for example, and we shift click. So this will also select the cells between row 6 and row 16. Okay, we can also do it the same. We can click on the row header number 6 and then drag using our mouse button in order to select additional rows. Okay, some cool shortcut in order to select a column or a row, for example. So if you want to select column O, so we can just go to the header and click on column O. So this will select all column O. However, we can do this by some keyboard shortcut. So we select any cell that belongs to column O, and then we hold on the control key plus the space bar. So this will select all column O. And if we want also to select row number 10, for example, so we click on any cell that belongs to row number 10, then we hold on the shift key plus the space bar. So this will select all the cells in row number 10. So now you know some selection techniques. You can apply them in order to handle large data selection.